Hi guys, this is Maneesh. Hope everyone was doing great. If you are a student, I'm requesting you that don't skip this video anywhere because in this video I'm going to share you 8 tips to study well. 8 study hacks. So don't skip anywhere and watch till the end. If you are seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Out of 8 topics, the first topic is create a study schedule. For an example, no matter the study schedule is for 1 month or 1 week or 1 day, you have to create a schedule. For an example, in this particular day, you want to cover some topics. And you have to create a schedule that morning you have to complete this, or afternoon you have to complete, and by evening you have to complete this particular topics. Like that, you have to create a schedule, and for every 30 to 40 minutes, you have to take at least a 5 minutes break. See, because you may get an interest, it's only 5 minutes. If you're extending that break means you may get lost interest in that and become lazy. For every 30-40 minutes, I'll recommend you to take a 5-minute short break. This is about creating your study schedule. And second point is follow cornell note method. This means to understand, you usually see the photo on the screen. See, one side you have to write a Q. Q is nothing but a key points or hints of the topic. And other side is a notes of that particular topic. And that down you have to write the overall summary of the particular topic. This is nothing but a cornell method. So while you're preparing for some topic, I'll recommend you to follow this cornell note method because it will be easy at the time of your revision. And now coming to the third point, find your learning style. See, for an example, some people may understand, some people may learn by studying, and some people may learn by writing, and some people may learn by only listening. Some people only listen and they learn. In this way, everyone has their own style. So you have to find your style. So finding your style is very important. And now coming to the fourth point, optimize your environment. This means your environment should be neat and clean with the things which are required for your study. You should keep aside your iPad or any laptops or any mobile. If it is necessary, the laptop you can keep with you, or else you should keep aside all these things. And fifth point, the main point is set your goals. For an example, from this day on 12th day, next 12th day you had an exam, then you have to cover all the topics within the 10 days. And the 11th day you have to revise all these topics, and 12th day you have to go for an exam. In this way you have to set your goals, no matter for it a 10 days or a 1 week or a 1 month. Then you can complete the topics easily and you will get some particular time to revise your topics. The sixth point is exercise every day. You should wake up early and you should start doing gym or any running or any walking, anything. Every day you should start your day with exercise because that positive vibe and that activeness will be carried out for a whole day. Here you will be active more and you will concentrate on your studies more. So I will recommend you to do exercise every day. The seventh point is write to-do list every day before starting your study. I'll recommend you to write the to-do list. That means what all the subtopics you should cover this particular day. Because that will be like a short-term goal. You should achieve that goal. Then you can achieve the long-term goals like 10 days or 1 month. You can cover all the topics every day. So setting to-do list, writing a to-do list every day is very important. And the eighth point is revision. After studying, after covering all the topics in that day, particular day, at that day evening before ending your study, you should revise all the topics again because that will be helpful to remember you for more time. Not only for 1 day, like I said in your fifth example, like 10 days you have to study and the 11th day you have to revise and the 12th day you have to exam. That is an example. You can see the fifth point once again if you skip the video there. Every student should follow these 8 points, then you will study well. These are the 8 study tips for you. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then,